Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to block someone in Knives Out. To block someone in Knives Out, first of all, open the Knives Out game on your smartphone or your device, and from the home page, tap on the Friends button at the top of the screen that indicates as two human figures. Now this will open up your Friends tab. Select your friend's profile picture and tap on it, and then it'll take you to their profile information. Here all you need to do is to tap on the three dots at the bottom right and click on block. In the pop-up, click on OK in order to confirm the block action, and right after you do that, you will be able to block the chosen contact. After you block the person, both of your intimacy will be cleared if you two are friends, and that's how you easily block someone on Knives Out. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel for more easy tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.